बांबोळेच्या पालमार कॉलनी लागी बेकायदेशीर गार्बेज प्लांट उबारपाची प्रक्रिया चालू आशिल्ल्यान थळाव्यांक हाचो खूप त्रास जावपाक लागला। ह्या प्रकल्पाविशीं पालमार कॉलनींतल्या लोकांनी तिडक उक्तायल्या। गेल्या आयतारच्यान रातच्या वेळार हॅलोजन लावन लिपचोरया हे काम चालू आशिल्ल्याचे थळावे लोक सांगतात। पुलिशेन कागाळ करून लेगीत ह्या कांयच जावंक ना। थळाव्या पंचांचोय हातून हात आशिल्ल्याचे ते सांगतात।
Only point program here are assembled here last Sunday, and we came to know there is a illegal construction going on by our punch member only, none other than, without informing anybody in the locality, without any right of resolution or decision of the panchayat, without any permission from the pollution control board, without any permission from the Goa Waste Management Corporation. They are going to have a garbage here, and they were doing garbage center in the middle of the residential colony, just hiding some trees, and he was doing the night time the job, our punch himself. And I got a message from, not from the locality of Santa Cruz, I got a message from the Panjim. One of the prominent citizens told me such illegal thing is happening. I came and saw that our punch is standing here night time 8 o'clock and put a halogen light and getting the light work done. I told him, you please stop it. This is, we are not elected you for this purpose. You are doing against us. Whatever this is not the intention of electing you. Then next he did not stop. Then I told we will go to court, we will go to complain this and that. But he said tuka daitakar. I said, then next day we 15 people came from the colony and stopped this work here, and all these people ran away. When the punch was called by the contractor who is doing the illegal work, punch was not ready to come, and 2 days work was stopped. And now yesterday night, again they started hiding without knowledge. Even the neighbor doesn't know what is happening here.
Does directly from our residential colony straight ahead. So when the stench starts coming and the noise pollution and everything involved, and why is it that it is in a residential colony? Where is the board? Where is the board saying this is a construction which has been permitted?
शक्यच ना कशी सांगा न्ही असली घाण आमी घेवंक शकता कोण